Hello guys! So we're here to the noisy place! A noisy place! It's so noisy here! There are many car like jeepney. And we can see here, there is grass here, square grass, something grass. And we can see this dahon, and it's so noisy here guys! Please don't make any noise. I'm vlogging, you see?
Oh my God! Wow!
Okay, let's continue. We have here something square grass. A grass that is square.
What?
Oh, it's so noisy. Please don't make any noise. Can you see I'm vlogging? So we have a grass here too. Something yellow and green. Yellow and green grass. It's so noisy. Oh my gosh, guys. He's dying. He's dying. Look at him. Please don't die. You have asanga, but there are patay. Please don't patay. The world are beautiful. No rain coming to you. Ay bu you luwa. Okay. Okay na, magbubo na ka. And this a very noisy place. It's so noisy here. Okay. A very big, huge leaf. As you can see, this is a small battery ball. Small battery ball like me. See? It's so small on me too. Okay guys, let's explore the other. We have lights here. Oh my gosh, it's white. Oh, I like white. Oh my god. Oh. Tree, a mango tree. Wow, it's an orange tree. Oh my god. Brown, circle, like brown. Oh my gosh, look at this. It's so cute.
What?
Cute. It's so cute. It's small but terrible. And oh my gosh, guys, help me! There is a snake here. Oh my gosh, a snake! Help me! So it's grass again here. It's like triangle. No triangle. Rectangle. Wait, rectangle. And this is a circle. This is a circle.
Wow!
And that's all guys. I will stop the video because it's so noisy. Bye-bye.